Good morning, children. How are you all? You must have enjoyed your holidays and must be missing the school also, isn't it? Children, today we are doing continuous or progressive tenses, one and the same thing. Previously, you have done indefinite tense, present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. And today we are doing continuous tenses. See, what is continuous tense? First of all, we'll take present continuous. Present continuous tense tells us about actions that are going on at the time of speaking. What are the action you are doing at the time of speaking is called present continuous tense. What is the forms of the present continuous tense? We use subject plus is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. This is the rule of present continuous. When you are writing present continuous, first of all you are using subject, then is used with singular, am is used with I, and are used with plural. See the example, I am running. I is a subject here. And what is the rule of this continuous tense? I ke saath we always using am plus verb. Are and run. Run is a verb plus ing form of the verb. Okay. Now let's do some exercise. How to use present continuous tense in these blanks. See, birds on the tree. Here birds is a plural. And what are you supposed to write here? Birds are sitting on the treetop. Okay. Now, children, side by side we will do negative sentences also. How will form negative sentence? Birds are not. We are writing contraction form of the verb. What is the contraction form of the short form of are not is aren't. Birds aren't sitting on the treetop. See another example. A kite high up. Kite is a singular. Then what are you supposed to write? A kite is flying high up in the sky. And what will be the negative form? See, a kite isn't flying high up in the sky. Okay. Now next is I am eating chocolates. Okay. Now what will be the negative form? I am not eating chocolates. Children, see, I am not. There is no contraction of am not. See, here you have written aren't ki construction form is aren't. Is not, isn't. There is no contraction form is am not. So you are using I am not eating chocolates. Look, they dash this way. Look, they are coming this way. Okay. Whenever it is given look, you are always supposed to write they are coming. You are using present continuous. Here you are not using past continuous tense. Children, mind it. Okay. What will be the negative form? Look, they aren't coming this way. Okay. Now see once again, you are using are with plural, is with singular, and with I you are writing I am. Okay. I hope you must have understood. Next we are taking past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense tells us about action that were going on sometime in the past. In the past means when suppose yesterday you have done some action, you are doing some action, that is called past continuous tense. And there is one more condition is simple past and past continuous tense are used together. They go hand in hand. Okay? And they suggest that one activity was continuing, another took place. Okay? I will take some example after some time. See form of the past continuous. How to form past continuous tense? What is the rule of past continuous tense? We use subject plus was plus were plus ing form of the verb. In the present continuous, you are using is am. Here you are using was were. Was is used with singular and were is used with plural. Okay. Now see the example. I was playing in the garden. Here you can add one more sentence with I was playing in the garden when my brother reached there. Okay. They were watching the cricket match when I reached to my friend's house. Okay. Now see. Now let's do some exercise how to use past continuous tense in these blanks. See, when I phoned my friend, what he was doing? He was playing football. See children, here past continuous tense and simple past go hand in hand. Okay. Now how to frame negative sentence. See, when I phoned my friend, he was not. What is the contraction form, short form of was not? Wasn't playing football. Okay. Now see another example. I dash when the lights went out. What were you doing when the lights went out? See, two action. What were you doing? See, I was reading when the lights went out. It means here two actions are going together. Okay, at that time when the lights went out, what were you doing? I was reading. Okay, see, negative form of the sentence is I wasn't reading. What is the short form of was not? Wasn't reading when the lights went out. Okay, see another example. We dash English yesterday at 4 p.m. Someone asked, what were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m.? It means he might have phoned you, but you did not pick up the phone. And what were you doing at that time? We were studying. We were studying. Your friend asked, what were you doing? You said, we were studying English yesterday at 4 p.m. Okay. Now see, what is the negative form of this? We weren't studying English yesterday at 4 p.m. It means you were doing something else. Okay, at 4 p.m. I hope you must have understood this past continuous tense. Okay. Now let's move to future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? See, the future continuous tense tells us about actions that will in progress at a given point of time in future. The point of time, particular point of time will be given in future. It is not just past tense. It is not present continuous. Now it will be, the action will be done, will be continuing. What is the form of the future continuous tense? How to form future continuous tense? We use subject. Again, same situation. Subject plus will be plus shall be plus ing. Children, be careful. Will always will के साथ we are writing be, shall के साथ be. Shall is used with I or we. You must be knowing this. See the example. I shall be visiting my aunt in the evening. It means at what time you are going to visit your aunt. Okay. My friend will be inviting me to the party. It means you must be knowing that your friend will be inviting me to the party. Okay. Now let's do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with future continuous form of the verb. Okay. Now you must be knowing the rules of this. At form. Children, keep one thing in your mind. Whenever the time is given with tomorrow, okay, and you are always using future continuous tense. At 4 p.m. tomorrow, what will be you doing? At 4 p.m. tomorrow, I will be watching TV. Your friend asked, what will be you doing at 4 p.m.? So you said, I will be watching TV. Okay, it means your routine is this. Now, how to form negative sentence? At 4 p.m. tomorrow, I will not. Children, keep one thing in your mind. What is the short form, contraction form of will not? Won't. Okay? This is not willn't. Okay? It won't be watching TV. You said to your friend at 4 p.m. tomorrow, I won't be watching TV. It means you can come to my house. Okay? Next is at 10 a.m. next Monday. What will you be doing at next Monday at 10 a.m.? I will be taking the exam. Okay, my exams are going to start. I will be taking my exam. Okay, and what will be the negative form? At 10 a.m. next Monday, I won't be taking the exam because my exams have been postponed. Okay, so I won't be taking my exam. See another example. We dash to Shimla during our vacation. Your friend asked, what are you going to do during your vacation? And you said, we will be going to Shimla during vacation. In your vacation, you will be going. Nowadays, you are not going to plan this type. See the example of negative form. We won't be going to Shimla during our vacation. Why so? Because due to COVID-19, you are not supposed to going somewhere. Okay? Anywhere you are not going to somewhere. Okay? Now see the last example. They dash for you at the stadium. what they are going to do at the stadium? They will be waiting for you at the stadium. It means your friends are going to wait at the stadium, not nowhere else. Okay, see the example of negative form. They won't, will not. What is the short form of will not? Won't. They won't be waiting for you at the stadium. Children, see once more again. Whenever the time is given, you are supposed to write future continuous tense. Okay, and what is the contraction form of will not? You are supposed to write won't be. Won't be. Okay, I hope you must have understood thoroughly. Revise it, practice it, and do the exercise given in grammar book. Okay, thank you bete. Bye.